tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County and north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County and north central Alabama until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Athens. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. This includes Athens, Bethel, Harvest, and Tony. Take cover now. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Athens, Meridianville, Moores Mill, Hazel Green, Harvest, Tony, and Fisk. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of the structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Limestone, and Madison.
On the morning of November 17th, 2013, the people of Illinois were anticipating a day of severe weather, as the SPC had issued a slight risk for severe thunderstorm activity in the area days before, which had been upgraded to a moderate risk the day prior. However, at 1 a.m., the SPC upgraded the moderate risk to a high risk of severe weather, with portions of Illinois seeing a 30% chance of a tornado occurring in the region. Later in the day, the system that would later be associated with the tornado outbreak began to intensify, centered near Milwaukee, Wisconsin. At 10:59 a.m., a tornado touched down southeast of East Peoria in Tazewell County, where it severely damaged 75 houses and destroyed 20. The tornado then strengthened, reaching wind speeds of approximately 190 miles per hour as it moved into the nearby town of Washington, Illinois. As it did, Chris Lancaster stepped into his home's backyard and began recording the massive tornado with his phone.
Oh my God, Chris.
Look at the shit flying, Mandy. Look at the shit flying.
Oh my God. Get in that house! Now! Liberty! Come on, Liv. Come on.
Get in the house!
She's scared. Come on.
Get her in the basement and kennel them.
Now, Lisa! Holy shit, Chris.
Give me a lighter, Mandy. Hurry. Take this. Film it. Hurry.
What the fuck? Chris! It's coming toward us. I'm going with my baby.
Go with the babies.
Oh my God.
Go.
My babies.
Go.
I am.
Leave that door so I can get in. Leave that door so I can get in.
My baby.
Oh my God! Holy shit! Look at this, bud. Be ready to run with me, okay? Be ready to run with me, buddy.
This is crazy.
Fucking shit! Look at all the roof shit, bro. Woo!
Nope, my turn. My turn. It's going. Come on.
Stay.
Chris.
Stay.
Come on.
Stay. Stay.
Come on, man.
Chris, we're okay.
I hit the face.
Come on, guys. It's okay. You guys just stay. Just stay. You guys, it don't matter. Just let her scream. You guys cannot move.
Where's Maya at?
Oh, my back. She's under these girls. I got hit with something in the fucking back.
Something across the forehead.
Oh,
What happened, Chris?
oh,
Chris, what did you get hit with?
I don't know. Maybe an ambulance here.
Why? Where did it
My
hit you?
head.
His head.
My phone's on the charger.
There's no ambulance gonna come, Chris.
Yes, it will. If you get a head injury, they'll have to.
Let me see. There is no lights. There's no power. There's no
My
nothing.
phone.
Astonishingly, nobody in the Lancaster household was killed by the tornado, though Chris, the man filming, suffered an injury to his eye. In an interview with Daily Mail, Chris stated, referring to the tornado, that I actually thought it was going to curve, and at the last second it didn't, and I took off running, and I watched my whole house just vanish around me. I've got debris hitting me, the refrigerator knocking me into the other room, and finally I jumped to the basement stairs, and my 19-year-old son pulled me down to safety. However, others were not so fortunate. In Washington alone, 3 people were killed by the Washington EF4, and 125 injured. The tornado caused $935 million in damage across 4 counties, making it the 10th costliest tornado in United States history. On the evening of May 21st, 2011, an area of low pressure centered over western South Dakota and was favorable for the development of supercells the following day. While large hail was forecast, the tornado threat was believed to remain isolated. However, by 8 a.m. on May 22nd, the SPC found the threat to be growing more severe, and by noon it seemed a severe weather event was likely to occur in the evening hours. 4 hours before what would become one of the United States' most infamous tornadoes, a tornado watch was issued for southwestern Missouri that predicted explosive thunderstorm development, with a strong tornado or 2 possible. A severe thunderstorm began to strengthen over Kansas as it moved into Missouri that appeared conducive for tornadic development, and a tornado warning was issued west of the city of Joplin at 5:17 p.m. CDT. As predicted, a tornado touched down in Newton County, Missouri at 5:34 p.m. CDT, where it downed several large trees. The tornado quickly developed EF3 strength winds as it severely damaged several homes before strengthening further into an EF4, where it destroyed several well-built commercial buildings and killed 1 person as the incredible force of the tornado caused them to be ejected from their car. Extreme damage occurred at the St. John's Regional Medical Center as the Joplin tornado reached peak intensity as an EF5 with winds exceeding 200 miles per hour. The medical center lost nearly every window on 3 sides, interior walls, ceilings, and part of its roof. The hospital's backup power also failed, causing 5 fatalities. The 9-story building was damaged so severely that it was deemed structurally compromised and torn down. The EF5 went on to destroy a large church, the Franklin Technology Center, St. Mary's Catholic Church, and Joplin High School. The tornado also demolished the Greenbrier Nursing Home, causing 21 fatalities. The tornado then reached its widest point nearly 1 mile across, striking a Pizza Hut on South Range Line Road. There, store manager Christopher Lucas gathered 4 employees and 15 customers and led them into the store's walk-in freezer. However, the freezer's door would not close. In an effort to protect everyone, Lucas wrapped a bungee cord around his arm and held the door closed. Sadly, he was sucked out of the freezer and killed by the tornado. But his fellow employees and customers all survived. The tornado went on to completely destroy a Walmart supercenter and a Home Depot, and a Pepsi distribution plant was completely leveled. With EF5 strength winds well over 200 miles per hour, the tornado continued towards a fast trip gas station where, just as the others had in the Pizza Hut, several people huddled inside the gas station's walk-in cooler, and one of them began to record their terrifying situation.
Why can we drive this direction? I don't know.
Carl, get away from the window.
Everybody back up.
The bathroom's up there by the front door.
Hey, where do you want me to put everybody? On the inside hallway or towards the back by the beer cooler in that little section?
Jared.
At least probably 10 or 12.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, is that Diane?
There's probably 18 or 19.
The shit is getting real.
I haven't. Of course, our power.
Yeah, they said there was one. They said there was one on the ground at 7th and range line.
Yeah, but that's the one coming between us. We're on 20th.
Man, look at that.
That's why that wind's that.
Yeah. No, they haven't yet. The sirens aren't going.
But yeah, they did.
What?
Yeah, they
Dude,
did. That's as they we were coming
Pretty
in
crazy.
here.
This is getting real.
Somebody's door.
Someone in.
That's a tornado. That's what that is. Huh? Is it? Don't we need to sign something?
Way back. Everybody get down. Low on the ground.
Sit right here.
I don't know. Jesus. I don't know if I left it in the car or what.
Sophie left it in the car. Where's it at?
What? What? Okay. All right.
We need a.
Get inside there.
What is that room right there?
When stuff's breaking in the back.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Can we go in the cooler?
Heavenly Father, Jesus.
Good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
It's okay. It's okay.
I think we're gonna do it. I know. I love everyone. I love everyone, man. Yeah, I love all you guys. We're gonna be okay. I love you.
Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Heavenly Father. Thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
Go, stay down.
Is everyone okay below me?
Right here, I'm okay.
All right, I'm trying not to lay on someone.
Somebody's on my back.
We're fixing it, guys.
Am I hurting anybody? Ma'am?
Is who's under me?
We're okay.
Is,
We're okay. Oh.
You guys okay under me?
who's,
Are you guys okay?
is anyone under me though? Is anyone under me?
We don't know. 6 o'clock.
We need to call somebody.
Yes, just pass it over. Just calm down. Keep still. Keep still. Stay calm.
What should I call?
Stay calm.
You don't, I don't have one if you can't.
Everybody stay calm. It's over. This is the end of it. Stay calm. Calm down. Stay calm. We're sure. Get out.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Are you guys all right?
We're good.
Hold on. Sorry. Be careful. There's glass.
Are you okay? I'm trying, I'm like push, I'm sorry.
Dad, I'm right here. Is it done? I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm trying to put less weight on him though.
Ma'am, are you okay? I'm okay.
Who's right here? Is that you right below me?
Yeah.
That's not someone else?
We're not moving anywhere. We're not moving anywhere. The building.
Fortunately, all of those who took shelter in the walk-in cooler survived. Sadly, the tornado went on to kill 158 people, making it the 7th deadliest tornado in U.S. history. The tornado devastated a large portion of the city of Joplin, damaging nearly 8,000 buildings and destroying 4,000 of them, amounting to a total of $2.9 billion in damages, equivalent to about $4 billion today, making the Joplin tornado the costliest single tornado in U.S. history. During the early afternoon hours of April 27, 2011, the potential for destructive tornadoes was realized by many in Alabama as the SPC upgraded their weather prediction from a moderate to a high risk for severe weather around 1 p.m. CDT. Shortly after, a tornado watch was issued, along with a particularly dangerous situation (PDS) warning for northern Alabama and portions of southern Tennessee at 1:45 p.m. CDT. At 3:09 p.m. CDT, the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Mississippi issued a tornado warning, and over an hour later at 4:50 p.m., footage of a wedge tornado was captured by meteorologist John Oldshoe, prompting the National Weather Service office in Birmingham to declare a tornado emergency. The tornado moved towards the southern and eastern portions of Tuscaloosa at around 5:10 p.m. during a period of rapid intensification. As it entered Tuscaloosa, Jason Rosolowski began filming the massive tornado from his car.
That came through Coleman, I would suggest this might even be larger than the Coleman tornado.
I think it's much larger than that one.
This thing looks like it might be over 1/2 mile wide, maybe up to 3/4 of a mile wide.
It's coming across Joe Malisham Park, actually just past Joe Malisham Parkway.
Goodness, look at that.
That is huge.
By the time the Tuscaloosa Birmingham tornado lifted, it had left behind a path of destruction of over 80 miles, tracking through Greene, Tuscaloosa, and Jefferson counties. Later determined to be a high-end EF4, the tornado killed 64 people and caused approximately $2.4 billion in damages, and became the costliest tornado in United States history at that time, surpassed only by the Joplin EF5 just weeks later. There is very little information regarding this final video, other than that it was recorded in Taiwan in August of 2015. Fortunately, it appears nobody was badly wounded, but the woman who got caught up in the tornado may have suffered some sort of leg injury.